Who turned these off? That would be mine. He might be getting hot. Today I ain't messing with the heat. He turned it off. When he came back, he turned it on, so I don't remember him turning it off. Unless the last time Helen was over here, she turned it off. But I don't remember him coming back to it at all.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
I'm kind of glad it's locked. It's very comfortable to me.
The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. The bell on the bus goes ding, ding, ding.